finished cleaning the aquarium now. Now I'm gonna put the cover and the light and put some cleaning stuff. This still. The chlorine neutralizer and this one. The conditioner. The concentrated conditioner for marine and freshwater. This one's the chlorine neutralizer and this one's the conditioner. So first, I'm gonna put this thing back up there. It's kind of fragile. So guys, I added the cover. Now I'm gonna add the light, the LED light. Here. There you go. And first I'm gonna add this one, the chlorine. It's still a little bit foggy, but yeah. I'm gonna add the chlorine now. I need 5 cups of this. I need to add 5 cups in this one. So I'm gonna add it now. It's kinda raining outside, so my hair is wet. So we're just gonna fill this thing up and add it to the water here with those foam there. That's 1. That's 2. Push. 3. 4. 5. 5 cap full of the chlorine neutralizer. Now I'm gonna add the conditioner. I'm only gonna add 1 full cup. Now that should be good. So guys, I finally finished cleaning the aquarium. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So see you guys next time. Bye. It's raining outside, so it's kind of loud outside, and I'm so wet. Yeah, see you guys.